How is everybody doing? Getting to the end of duck season. About a week or so left, unfortunately. But it's getting cold. Divers are showing up. We had one battle getting to the spot late. Somebody forgot their wallet and their jacket, Cody, when we were like already probably 20-25 minutes out of Marquette. So we had to turn all the way back around, put us like an hour behind schedule. Showed up about probably 5-10 minutes after another group of guys was already at the launch, and they got the spot that we were trying to get to, so we had to set up a little bit further down from them. Not in the best spot, but we still put the beat down on a whole bunch of birds. Ladies' day, to say the least. Shot a lot of hens, but better than shoot no birds. Battle the blizzard. I don't know if I already said that. We got like 4 inches of snow the night before that, and it snowed pretty much all day, so that was interesting. You know, you couldn't really see the birds coming a long ways out. They just come through the snow, and all of a sudden they were there. But yeah, another good hunt. Coming down to the end. A couple more videos for you guys to enjoy. But without any further ado, here is the video. Morning of the weekend. Woke up to like 4 inches of snow. November 5th-ish. Somewhere around there. Breakfast, hit the road, slaughter some ducks.
Oh yeah, it is. You see them all? Straight above the trees, flying right. Oh, big flock up off water on the left. What are they? Full squads.
What'd you get, Cody? Look at them pretty birdies. Nice.
Really?
Them were pretty.
No. You guys got 4 flying up behind you. Take them. Good shit, get on. Travis, all yours.
Where we go grab them?
Travis. Yeah, get on, man. Fucking trip. Travis.
Captain, boy, Captain. Oh. I think I got that one.
Hey, look, we got a bird in our spread. Dude, look, it's fucking sitting right there.
What is that?
What?
What is it?
Redhead question mark.
There's no such thing as a redhead question mark. Hold it up. You see its head.
I'm pretty sure it's a redhead.
Is it a hen? I think it's a hen gold.
Could it be a king hider?
What color is the bill?
Huh?
What color is the bill?
It's like black, and then right at the tip there's a yellowish brown band.
Yep.
That's gold. It is. Good shit, guys. There's nothing here.
Oh yeah.
Let's see that birdie.
She's real pretty.
Oh yeah, she must be old or something with that.
Oh, that is
dark bill.
There's a little bird there.
Wow, that is a pretty bird.
What other birds?
Nice work, boys.
Yeah. Right in the sauce. I think that's another.
And gold.
Yeah, it is a goldie.
Wait for these. Wait for these.
Scott,
Hey, Scott.
Stay down.
You getting it? Definitely a dirty merg.
Banded bird.
It's got a collar on it, actually.
Got it.
What are these black shells?
Those are my black cloud.
Is that a common merg?
Yeah.
No, it's a hooded.
Is it?
Yeah.
A hen hooded?
Oh, dude, don't move. Don't move.
Please do not shoot me in the face.
Fucking so many of them right behind us to the left, flying over us.
Probably been out here for a little over an hour. We got well, it's ladies' day to say the least. 2 hen old squaws, hen bufflehead, hen golden eye, and hen hooded merganser. Trevin's out there about a quarter mile fetching the last 2, probably hen buffleheads we just shot. We're killing it. Jesus! Did you get one of them?
Huh?
Did you get one of them?
Yeah, I got one.
Grenade. Ugh.
Oh, that was ejected.
Thing's still alive.
Yo, just dove.
God, you serious? Oh, I hate you. He is gonna be gone. He's gonna be holding on down there. Is this where it was? Oh, no, we weren't. Never mind. Bossy. I said. Go for it. Shoot it. I didn't realize how far.
Yeah, I stood up and aimed. I'm like, yeah, that's the ways out there.
I'll try to judge it by the.
What'd you shoot at?
Old squaw question mark.
You get it? Question mark.
Yeah.
Attaboy. Don't throw it.
Let's see it.
Old squaw confirmed.
Oh, you actually got him?
Yeah.
Old squaw, right?
Yep. Was he on the water?
Yeah. Look at that buffalo out there. Bet you're warm now.
No. You find it?
Yeah.
You found it.
It's way over there. Now, why would you throw it again?
Nice Scott.
You gonna tell me about?
It's a merge.
I don't even care.
It's a merge.
I'm gonna go out of my way and say that was one of my better shots in my life.
That was.
Status update. Trevin just disappeared for a while. Heard some shooting, came back with a couple old squaws. Shot him Merganser while he was gone. Couldn't find it. Cody is gone. He's about 9 shots deep now. Hoping he's about to come back with a handful of birdies. We're about 21 away from the
just
limit.
decapitate one of your geese.
And 15 geese away.
Shoot anything?
One low coming our way, I think. Yep. One low. Two.
You better shoot that bird. Shoot the bird. Turn around. Shoot him. Shoot him. Ah, can't get up. Somebody else. Hey, shoot him again. Shoot him again.
We got the speed demon, one and only Cody speed decoy picker upper. Rob can't even keep up on the line. All in all, not a terrible hunt. Better than yesterday. Got here a little late because somebody forgot their wallet. We were already 20 minutes out of Marquette. We didn't get the best spot, but we did all right.
We still cleaned up our bird.
Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting us, supporting our channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you're feeling. If you want to make a donation to our nonprofit organization, 100% of the money goes to helping people. We're getting close to ice fishing season. Got a lot of veterans, kids, wheelchair-bound anglers that are pretty eager to get out on the ice, and we're hoping that we can have a repeat of last season, maybe even better. Last season was definitely one of our best seasons. But if you guys want to make a donation, head down. Link is in the description, huntersforlife.com. That is also where you can pick up, you can pick up Hunters for Life t-shirts and hats. This isn't a Hunters for Life hat, but this is my winter duck hunting hat. It's got these cool little earmuffs on it, and, if it's warm, you can fold it up. Hat's like 25 years old, but still effective. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, happy adventures.